Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make my first custom shoes. I got the shoes, colors, and 3 brushes. Let's do it. So this was the red, and now I'm gonna color the light blue. So blue is also done. Let's add some details in it. As I am making these shoes in a theme of one piece, so let's add some skin tone to it. It nearly takes 12 hours to complete these shoes, 7 hours for first one and 5 hours for the second one. I hope you like the color theme and the process. For watching more videos like this, hit that red button to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notifications. Also follow me on Instagram, the link is in description. Now enjoy the reveal. Thanks for watching.